We're here in Nazaré, Portugal, where they're about ready to do this procession all the way up to about where our hotel is, and they'll be blessing the fleet and the fishermen and having a mass up there. You can see folks here in their traditional costumes that they would wear here, similarly dressed. If you know the story of Our Lady of Fatima, those are about the same time period. And way up there on the church, if you look way up there, you can see the two steeples of the church. That's where a man in about the year 1100 tried to chase a deer, almost fell off the cliff. His hoof print of this horse is left in a chapel up there. And that's Our Lady of Nazaré. You can Google that and see that later. But they're all here in this beautiful parade, perfect day for a parade on May 6th. And you can see our Sacred Heart of Jesus, different images of Mary. We've got the priest over here. And here comes the Blessed Mother. And another boat being carried.
These come from Peniche, not Nazaré.
Okay, Peniche, okay. So this is the image from Peniche. A good boat.
The next one is Nazaré.
Next one is Nazaré, yeah, okay. This procession to honor the fishermen and the boats here that fished the Atlantic Ocean for hundreds, centuries here in Nazaré. Then afterwards, there'll be a mass right here. Patty's saving our seats. And then our hotel is right over there. So we've been able to see what's going on here. So we're here with Isaac and Luke and Mary and Mom all together in Nazaré. We're going to find a place to eat.